Hello my dear friends, I hope you are healthy and well. Today we came to Kourosh Mall complex in Tehran, Iran. Kourosh Complex in Tehran is one of the most luxurious and largest shopping centers in the capital, which is built in a space of 9,500 square meters. This complex has modern architecture and equipment and plays an important role in providing welfare services and can be a good part of an attractive Tehran tour. The sales part of the collection includes 550 commercial units offering the best products of the world's famous brands. Koroosh Complex consists of several parts such as an amusement park, 12 concert halls, and various cinemas along with international restaurants and large coffee shops. Koroosh Complex has a capacity of 1,800 parking spaces to the modern parking space of the building. To support me, please subscribe to my channel and like the videos.